Hey, welcome viewers. Cooper's Automotive, working on a 2008 Toyota Prius, and it has an ABS code for a pump problem, and that is the problem. Most every time on the Prius we see a lot of this. Customer opted for a used part, so we're going to show you how we get it out of there and get it done. Stay tuned. First thing we got to do is disarm the hybrid system battery. Take out this big black cover that's down in here, and the covers for this to getting to your spare tire. It's going to be this orange tab over here. You're going to pull up on it first because it's a two-step, and then pry out on it, and that disconnects your hybrid battery right there. Then after you've done that, you want to go and right down in there, you see that little red cap there. The regular accessory battery, I take them out too. May not be necessary, but I don't risk it. So 10 millimeter. Looks like it's already loose, in fact. And wiggle that connector out of there. Now you're ready to go up front and start disassembling the pieces to get to the rest of it. You're going to want to take this plastic cover off the front. The top of the radiator, that area, the little push tabs are sitting down inside there. However you can get a hold of them. Get something to collect all of my old parts and maybe bring anything over here. Hang on. Brighten it up there a little bit. Alright. Let's get all these out here. Some of them will break. That's part of it. Some of them you'll drop like that. Replacements, that is, because they get brittle after a while. And that one's broken off. Let's see here. Does that? You just gotta yank it out of the way. The cover's out of our way. Gotta have 13s and 10s, various. This cover's gotta come off of this hybrid unit right there. Brace here, I don't think we got to remove that. These are 10s, there's a torque bit right there. Take the wiper corral out. Cowling, that is. And yeah, gonna have to do that too. It's been a little while since I've done this. Still, we got a wiper on. It will come out of here. See what size of this. I got 14 from that. Apply just a little pressure, but don't hit the top too hard. Just tap the top and it will pop up out of there. And it gives it a vibration. It's going to vibrate side. I'm just going to set this on top of the car. Wiper fell off. Probably need some new anyway. And then There's one wiper arm over there. Coming up here, got a cover on it. Can you see what I'm doing? Maybe focus there a little bit better. There we go. And so this wiper arm I'm going up here. I'm not going to tell a lot of jokes. I'm not going to try to be funny. I'm just going to try to stay on point. And now I'm going to lay this one right here on top of the car on this side to keep me on track of what I'm doing. Got a bunch of leaves stacked up here. Let's see what else we got to do to get that thing out of there. Push tab in the corner. Push tab. Move my tools around the other day. Change the doors that I have them in. Right there. I haven't shot video in a while. I've been too busy to even stop to even think about it because it's really stuff. Late Thursday night, working overtime. Last year and a half. But life is good. I'm really busy, so get this plastic piece up and out of our way. And we're going to have our wiper arm assembly. Little metal piece here. Just make sure we're still in frame. Those are 10 millimeters that hold the windshield wiper transmission in there. We'll plug it right there. Voila, wiper transmission solid. And wiper motor is out. Now we got some more tent coming across here. January, I think the 5th. Happy New Year, everyone. And you're going to want to push these little tabs to hold this wiring harness in here to pull this out. And this one right here, same thing. Break it, let's see here. These bucks coming up with us anyway. Just a second, just about 10 minutes, so let's go ahead. Please go flying off. Okay. Now, what's going to happen, this whole hybrid assembly is going to come out and get out of our way. So let's get back to moving those tins. I'll have to get a torque bit and some stuff. Set that at the moment. Tell me, I don't know why you just couldn't use a tin like you did on the rest of them. We had to change to that, but that's what we had to do. And the torque bits are right here handy. Here you have it. Covers off. We got various electrical and things like that to disconnect. We're going to have to disconnect these three and pull these out. All the orange, nice scary stuff there. If you're scared, you want to wear gloves, you're supposed to. Change of focus and color. Let's get a little closer in on that. All right. Let's see here. Orange plug right there to pull out. Underneath it right there. Those two, three pins right there. I believe that's the way I did this last time. There, let's see. I These 3-bolt nuts are a little bit different. Not much, but I'm going to put them in a different place. I think there's bolts in the front. Let me get a different container to hold these. I think there's 3 tins on the side of the power cables there. I guess that was incorrect. There's not. So just pull that out of the way. Got seals in here to keep everything watertight. Alright, important, obviously. Look to the side. So we're going after this right here. And you're not going to get it out of there that I know of without pulling this. Maybe if you just engage the AC or something, I'm not sure, but this is the way I've always done it. And this is the way I'm going to stick to it. Alright, so we got a brace here and a brace here. Those are great tubes. Let's check the camera angle once again. I believe we're in frame now. This one. Looks like that's 12. Yeah, 12. Now the gloves, they're on order. They're on the way. Alright. See when it's starting to move right there? There's another brace back there somewhere. Of course, you got electrical connection right here. Fuse box cover. I don't think my hands are so sore anymore. Just wait, you'll be old one day. And got a little retainer right there. There. Pry that up, and that brings that out. And just put it on that side. You have wiring right here. See if we can just kind of pull that. This one, and that one, and that gets those wires out of the way. So, again, we're getting closer and closer. If I remember, I've got coolant lines and stuff, and you've got something back here. Let me look. I'm going to take 10, Ken's talking about something over there I'm going to take a look at. I'll be right back. Alright, so looking straight down through here with an extension and another 12. There's another 12 mil sitting right here. That one over there. Let's see here. A couple little brackets I want to take off. I want to take off this bracket over here and this bracket so I don't have a coolant leak out of the bleed valve right there. So a couple of tins there. Right down here in the front. There's one right here. Look. This one kind of hooks into the upper piece a little bit. A little pushing goes into that hole right there. All right. I think at this point, let's see if I'm correct. I'm ready to just pick this thing up. Probably like right over here. Here. Right. The coolant hose is always to see if I can keep them connected. Alright, we got some more wires right there. More brackets. Oh man, let's take a quick peek here. And there's one more gray hybrid wire right there. How did I miss that? Can I get you a shot of that? I'm telling you what, I'm stopping and get that. Alright, so straight down there. There was that other 12 right there. Here's a gray connector, and this one's on this bracket. It's going to have to come off. Let's see what I see. Check. Let me see. Now it is. Just set stuff down and then can't ever find it again. So let's see here. Bend it that way a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. And let's slide this thing off of here. There we go. Gray connector right there. And we got one more black connector right here. There we go, black connector right there. Gray, 2 orange, so 2 orange, gray, a black, and the one going to the bracket. Let's see what we got. All right. Oh, you know, should have known. We do, even though I took it off of the bracket, we have to unplug this one right here also. So another gray connector right there. Let's set this pick down. See, once you get it up out of there, and you're looking around, your own heater hoses really don't have to disconnect them. You just got to get it out of your way there without falling on your head. Jam it in there a little bit. So I just kind of pried it up over here. Let me readjust camera angle. Alright, so see this wire? One more hybrid wiring harness. So we got 3 more 10s and then some 10s underneath holding it in. I was looking for my magnet. I should be able to reach up underneath this side over here, straight down here, and feel the 10s on each side that's holding this up in here. One of them. This one appears to be up. Straight down through here. Let's see if it's coming out of there. It should come straight down. Let me go for it. Let's see. Come on. There's one right here on the end. I missed right there. Sorry about that. Right through there. There you go. Alright. And carefully twisting it up right there. Leaving it in place here, losing no antifreeze at that point. Now, harness out. These suckers are all out of the way. way if you buy a used unit, you install it, it's plug and play. No programming necessary. Little electric pump right there, little electric cooling pump for the hybrid system right there. Got your brake lines and things to go after on that. Your plug, of course, that plugs in right here. So this white tab is going to slide out to you. Oh, let's get a different little screwdriver or something. Something a little shorter. Get back to my little hose remover here. Come on now. Well, I guess if I have a normal screwdriver and a pair of pliers and just kind of put this together. This will work without breaking anything. There we go. There. I'm going to put your light brake control module right there. Ow! We got these hoses we got to remove. I'm going to stop for lunch before I get stop for dinner. Excuse me. Before I get too much further. I'm going to take those lines off anyway. There we go. Alright, let's move that a little bit. Deciding what I want to do next. Okay, let me take a break and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back for some more punishment. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take the brake lines off. Give me a chance to look the video over and see how things were going. Talking soft, usually because I'm pretty tired. Brake lines out of here. We're going to have to take this pump out. And we'll lose some antifreeze. Gotta get this hose out of our way. Oh, just clips in there. I'm just bending it back. Try not to bend brake lines too much because it makes them so much harder when it comes time to put them back in. But whatever you have to do, you have to do. very top of the unit. This stupid bracket over here, I feel like I should take it off. It's a 10mm holding that brake line in right there. Straight in. Straight up through there. It's on a bracket. Alright, let's get that up out of the way. Let's go ahead and take the coolant line off of that right there, and we'll go ahead and pull this pump out of the way, but I'm going to take the pin down there off first. Kind of show you what happens if you don't. Straight down in there. I miss my magnet. Alright, where is it? There is another one. Right there. And upside down on this. We're going to have to get the bottom one out of that, and then some hoses, then they go after it, then we'll clear it right after that. And we'll get that bottom 10mm that's hanging out on this pump over here. Pull the hose back that way. Down the hole over a heater hose clamp. See if we can twist it. Get it out of there, we can't, probably got to pick underneath it to pull it out. Time to stop. All right, this is not nighttime, this is daytime the next morning, and getting back to this job. So hopefully you remember where I'm at. I gotta get this little pump out of here. There's one 10mm underneath the bottom down here. I'll probably work around it, but I'm not going to. It's a little hard to get to because it's going down. Oh, let's see here. probably get interrupted in between doing everything, but that'll be okay. I just have to shut down. Alright, I got this bracket off that was holding that piece in there. Go ahead and bracket it off. Alright, up there, I'd like not to have to disconnect this thing if possible. The hoses, you know, because this stuff will come fluid everywhere and make that mess, but you have to do what you have to do. Let's unplug the pump. You feel a little tab to push it on the back, but I'm a little stubborn. Really, really small. Alright, more plug. Let's see. There's a way to just kind of tuck this thing back or tie it back. I don't see any way to do it without pulling that hose off, and I'm going to take it off the heater hose side. And part of the problem is, of course, you know how they stick, so you got to get the circle the hose thing to kind of get that thing out of there. Okay, so this is fun. I know you can't see a whole lot of what I'm doing back in there. Inside of there, if there's any way to swing in a little bit. And that hose right there, the clamp already took off last night. So I'm gonna get up underneath it. And let's get a little bit more room to get this tool in here. Take this. Disconnect it for now. I'm just bending the pipe a little bit, trying to get my hook in there and leaning over the top. Bang! If I can get this thing out of there. Grab it with my needle nose again, because I think I've got it loose enough. I'm going to do that little twist. Ready for the mess. Not too bad. Try to keep that hose pointed up so I don't minimize the damage there. And then, see, now we can bring this whole thing forward as we're going. You can put a lot of different ways to get it tied up out of your way. Okay, on the back side of the pump is a 10mm, I believe, where a bracket goes. Some hoses right here. Gonna come up straight behind the engine here. Let's see. Very difficult to see this thing. 10mm nut on the back. Dropped it, but that holds that bracket on the back of the pump there, and you've got a hose connected to it that's got brake fluid in it. Next, can we see it? It's right there. So the plastic piece in the front. This looks dark. Let me see if I can lighten this up a little bit. Oh, that lights it up all right. All right, you can see it. It's right there. If we break this one, we don't care because the pump has that on it. Don't ask me how much they paid for it used, because I don't know. Where they got it from, because I don't know any of the answers to that. Now that we have that out, we're going to take the whole bracket assembly that bolts that thing in there. There's 12 or 13 straight down through here on each side, going back toward the firewall. One in the front and a 10mm bracket up here. It goes to this hose assembly over here. Let's start with this 10. Like that. I'm just going to move it up in that direction now. The lines go right there. 10mm bolt right in the back. That's a bracket with the lines on it. Also, a lot of 10s. It's all your lines are retained in on that retainer loose, so that you can just pull them back like this and get ready to take it out of there. There's also a 10mm bracket there that is holding where that little pump was at. May not need to take it out. Let's go after that 12. Can you see that 12 down inside of it? This is in our vision right here. Let's see if I can correct that a little bit for temporarily. Alright, you see that line sticking up right there? Okay. Straight down in through there is that 12, and I don't even see it on the camera.
Hey, 10.
Hey,
You got
busy. Hang on just 1 second, everybody. Hang on a second. Okay, back right down here. 12 mil right there. It's a nut. On the other side, opposite, straight down here, another nut on the bracket. And then, there's one, I believe right here, straight down. Let's switch out to some battery power. There. This is when I wished I had my magnet for these nuts down here. See if I can get my hand on that. got that one. That one just fell down right there. Should be loose. Pretty much. See if we have any luck of pulling this whole unit and everything. Or let's see. Okay, now you're gonna have to bend this line out of the way. I had to stop and take care of business, and then I think you can twist it this way. Making sure we don't, this line's get caught up in there a little bit. But the brake lines are kind of tricky to get around. And sneak it out like that, and that's the whole unit out. I'm just gonna set it. And then we're gonna readjust our camera and now it's off. I'm in the floor. I've got the old one here and it's upside down in the bracket, indexing them kind of the same. You got to take off this counterweight right here, which is a 12 millimeter, and loosen it up. They're pretty tight. I have loosened these up so I can just kind of zing right through this part of it. There's 3 of them. 2 are longer, 1 shorter. Actually, that one set that off to the side. Now there's a 10 right here. Okay. There's one right there also. Yeah, flip it over. And you've got 10 coming straight down on this side. By the computer side up here. We've got 10 slides. Another 10 slides down. Pull it out of it. So 10 here, it looks like that. Just loosen it. The one on the other side and loosen it. Pull it forward because we have a little sprocket here. A little rubber mount right there that this round piece right here slides into. Right now, we've got comes up back to our other unit. Right there. Bring it back. I want to put the brackets back on this unit and on this one. Transfer this one. So we have some 12s here. Start with this one. Oh, they're tight. There, that one is set up to the side. Go ahead and put it right back on. Those pieces, this one right here, the rubber mount pushes right into it on the side. Pushes right in there. On the other side, underneath this passage, right in there, just slides in. Now, I believe we've got everything off of it. I'm going to get it back in here. So, hook it up, flip it over, in there, oops, slide it in that, and down into these retainers. The rubber belts here, let's see. Get everything in. Get our 10mm. She's not going anywhere. This side underneath. Right up. And then flip it up. Well, see, there's a bolt there missing. So, and I missed that. My bad. So this is a bracket. It's going underneath there. You can slide it in through here. That's how it's 12. Now, should be able to slide it. If I can't, yeah. Set this all together. Loosen it back up like that. Then that'll tighten things up until everything's on. I don't worry. I'm going to get interrupted. I'm trying not to get interrupted. Slide it up. Slide it in. Sticks down. It's indexed with pins on it. Now we gotta put it back in here again. Pull out. Let's do these bottom ones first.
It's nice and cool out today, huh?
Just trying to get right back in the old marks where the old nuts were tight at. Right back in the same place. Like this the other side. So. There we go. Oops. We're getting there. After all that is tightened up. This tin straight down. Right there. That's where it goes. Find it. It's sitting up here somewhere. We'll figure that out just a little bit. Let's turn over. Put our counterweight back on here. Just keep going here. Okay. There's one thing that bothered me. This thing fell out here. And it went underneath that tin right there. So if that happens to you, you need that retainer to put underneath there. You just squish the rubber. Now we can tighten it correctly. Just have to figure out this little one. And looking at it, right there, it just sits on top of that. That's what that little water pump that sits on top of. So we got to change our camera angle and slide this whole unit back inside the car.